Welcome! In this quick guide, you'll learn how to mark a notification as read on Facebook using your PC, especially with the latest interface update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Facebook website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your notifications. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon, which represents your notifications. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a drop-down list showing all your recent notifications, including likes, comments, friend requests, and other activity. Now, scroll through the list and find the specific notification you want to mark as read. Facebook usually highlights unread notifications, making them easier to spot. Take a moment to locate the one you're looking for. When you found it, hover your mouse over that notification. You should see a small three-dot menu icon appear next to it. Click on those three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Mark as Read. As soon as you click it, the notification will no longer be highlighted, meaning it's now marked as read. This is especially useful if you want to clear out your notification list without actually opening every single update. It helps keep your account organized and makes it easier to focus only on what matters. And that's it. That's how you mark a notification as read on Facebook using your PC with the latest update. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick guides like this to stay updated with the latest social media features.